Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to request your DD214 online through the National Archives eVetRecs system. Step 1. Visit the eVetRecs website. Start by going to vetrecs.archives.gov. Step 2. Choose Make New Request. Step 3. Select service member type. Choose the appropriate option based on your status, such as veteran or next of kin of a deceased veteran. Step 4. Provide service member information. Enter details like full name, branch of service, service number or social security number, and dates of service. Step 5. Select records type. Specify that you are requesting the DD214, Certificate of Release or Discharge from active duty. Step 6. Provide contact information. Enter your name, address, phone number, and email address. Step 7. Verify your identity. You may need to provide additional information or documentation to verify your identity. Select the undeleted option. Step 8. Submit the request. Review your information and submit your request through the eVetRecs system. Take note of the service request number. Step 9. Wait for processing. The National Archives will process your request. Processing times may vary. Step 10. Receive your DD214. Once processed, you'll receive your DD214 electronically or by mail. Also, be sure to submit your 214 to your local CVSO so you will always have access to a copy in the future. And that's how you request your DD214 online. Visit the National Archives eVetRecs website to get started today.